we envision when we say manufacturing in the future. An ecosystem where boundaries between man and machine blur, where automation bridges human-machine interaction. Adaptive technology that juggles processes, optimizes resources, and dodges its own breakdown with proactive healing. A hardware-software bond so strong that data flows like poetry in motion, and information is decoded like a secret intelligence exchange. A world where operational technology and information technology are the ultimate guardians of excellence. At the heart of this ecosystem lies OMRON's cutting-edge automation technology. With intelligent robots, advanced control and sensors, and real-time data analytics, every process is optimized for maximum efficiency and precision. OMRON offers over 200,000 products, including sensors, safety, controllers, and robotics, to generate high-quality essential data and controls. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the factory floor by optimizing production lines, reducing costs, and enhancing efficiency. AI-powered systems enable predictive maintenance, quality control, and real-time decision-making, transforming factories into smarter, more agile operations. This shift accelerates innovation and sustainability, paving the way for the future of manufacturing. With Cognizant's advanced cloud solutions, data from the factory floor is securely stored and easily accessible. This enables remote monitoring, collaboration, and intelligent data-driven decision-making for strategic advantage in a competitive market. Manufacturing in the future is not just about technology, it's also about sustainability and resilience. OMRON and Cognizant are committed to creating environmentally friendly and one-stop solutions that reduce waste, conserve energy, and promote a circular economy.